welcome back to DSA Cracker series. Here in this first DSA Cracker series, we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problem as well, where we have written a program to cyclically rotate an array by 1. Now, in the next question, it is asked to find the largest sum of contiguous subarray. Let's head on to the new tab and what it is asking. Given an integer array, you need to find the maximum sum of a subarray. Okay. For example, if an array is given, okay, it has 2, 3, minus 8, 7, minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we have to find this subarray. Okay, subarray means part of it, like 7 minus 1, 2, 3, and then we have to find the largest sum of it. So 7 plus minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, the largest sum equal to 11. Okay. This will give the largest sum. So how we will do it? Let's see. For this, we will use Kadane algorithm. Okay, so after writing the code, I will explain you what is Kadane algorithm and how we approached the code. Okay, so let's get into the code first. So we have completed our code, and let's see after compiling it what it will give. And we can see that it passes the test case. So what I have did in this question, first of all, what is Kadane algorithm and why we are using it? If you want the largest sum of any group of neighbors in your list, don't try every possibility, it's exhausting. Instead of walk through the list just once and carry two little purses. One purse, current max, holds the best sum of the neighbors so far, including the current one. Okay, so as we have seen in the code that using the madam style, start with the first element in the both the purses for every next number in the list. Ask yourself, is it better to start fresh from this number or continue with my current sum? Choose the better option and put it in current max. Then check, is this best I have ever had? If yes, update max so far, and then you will get the maximum of the subarray by picking up the two purses and getting the maximum. Okay, so explanation of the code is as we have seen here. First, we have defined an array max so far and current max. Two arrays are defined, then a loop is defined for I in range 1 to length r. Why we have defined length r? Check for an empty error to avoid errors. Okay, then why we have written current max equal to max arr? Why this line has been written? Because at each step decide whether to start a new subarray at arr I or extend the previous subarray by adding the element. Okay, it keeps track of the overall maximum sum seen so far, and then after getting the maximum it will return the max so far and we will get the maximum sum as it is given. It is example 1 where we get 9 for the array 1, 2, 3, -2, 5. What is the maximum sub array? Here 3. For this array it will give 9 maximum, and for the custom input, like let's try it for -2, -4. Let's see what it gives. It will give -2. And similarly, let's check for custom input 5, 1, -3, 2. Hence it is giving the maximum of 5 and 6, sum of the two, that is 6, and hence it justifies our code that it is giving the maximum sum of a subarray from a given array. And let's submit the code and let's check if it is completing all the test cases or not. It is completing all test cases and we gained 4 points and we have completed. It is 15th and it is our 7th day of the streak. Let's do it in the very disciplined manner so that we can get our placement. Thank you.